Guys, look at what I'm saying. Have you tasted this type of rice before? Guys, look hard. Tri-color Quinoa, organic rice. Guys, look at it. Guys, look at it. Oh my god, this is what I'm eating this afternoon for lunch. For lunch, guys. This is the sauce I'm going to use for it. This is it, guys. You need to test this. You need to test this. Very delicious, guys. Very, very delicious. Wow. Oh my god. My neighbor just prepared it now. I need to taste this type of rice. Wow. Guys, you're going to watch me eat it. Guys, don't worry, I need to test it. I need to test it, guys. I need to test it.
Yeah.
Where is it? They are calling you.
Sit there.
Sit on your phone. Sit on your phone. Yes. Yes, because I'm already, you know. Why would I? Which one is yours? Let's test it fast now. Should I? Let's test it fast.
Yeah, test there. Test there.
I should test here.
Yeah.
Guys, look at it. Hey, voila, wait. Let me take on. Guys, look at it. Hey, God help me.
Say, God help me. This is after your second.
Let's sit there.
Okay.
Yes.
I just don't want it.
I don't want it to eat. That's what I'm saying. But maybe it should.
Guys, it tastes good. It tastes good, guys. I need to try another spoon. This is another spoon. I need to try another spoon. Guys, look at it.
What is the problem with this food? We'll name this segment emotional segment. What happened? Your ex. You made a wrong choice.
Guys, you need to test this. Seriously, very sweet. Yeah, send them. Okay, wait, let me.
Share send what?
Share it on me.
Wait, what's that?
Share it, let me.